In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Vstack array function in Excel. First, we are going to set up the headers for two separate tables. This makes it clear what each column represents, and it also helps your final stacked result look organized. On your worksheet, locate cell A1 and enter the label Product 1. Then move to cell B1 and enter Sales 1. Next, find cell D1 and enter Product 2. Finally, go to cell E1 and enter Sales 2. Take a moment to look at how your sheet is laid out now. You should have two header pairs across the page, with the first pair in cells A1 and B1, and the second pair in cells D1 and E1. These labels matter because they tell Excel and you that each table is a set of product names and their corresponding sales values. Now we are ready for the dataset values. In the next part, you will fill each table with the data you want to stack together. Type your dataset values inside the first table's column ranges, A2 to B4. This range holds 3 rows of Product 1 values and the matching Sales 1 values. Then in the second table's column ranges D2 to E4, type your dataset values as well. These will be the Product 2 values and the matching Sales 2 values for rows 2 through 4. As you enter the values, make sure the structure stays consistent. For example, the product name in A2 should correspond to the sales number in B2. Similarly, the product name in D2 should correspond to the sales number in E2. Keeping those pairs aligned will help the stacked output remain accurate and easy to understand. With your two tables completed, we can build the stacked list. Before you write the formula, decide where you want the combined results to appear. In this instruction set, we will use column G. Go to cell G2. When the cursor is in cell G2, you are ready to insert the Vstack formula that will combine both tables into one vertical list. Now type the following into cell G2. =Vstack A2 B4 D2 E4. As you type, pay attention to the parentheses and commas, because Excel relies on the exact syntax. This formula tells Excel to take the range A2 to B4, which includes both the product and sales columns for the first table, and then stack the range D2 to E4 beneath it. In other words, Excel will join the rows from both ranges into one continuous output running down the column. Once the formula is in place, press Enter on your keyboard. After you do that, Excel will instantly stack the arrays vertically into one list, starting from cell G2. You should see the first table's rows appear first, and then the second table's rows appear directly underneath them. If your data is correct, the resulting stacked list will show the product and sales information from both tables in the same order you entered it. This is one of the main benefits of the Vstack function. It combines data without needing manual copy and paste, and it reduces the chance of mistakes when updating values later. After the output appears, take a quick moment to confirm that everything looks right. Check that the stacked rows are present for all entries in A2, B4, and D2, E4, and that the values stay aligned in their corresponding columns in the stacked result. If something looks off, the first place to check is the ranges inside the formula to ensure you included the correct cells. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.